A summary of the stone used by masons. In general, stone falls into one of three broad categories: sedimentary, metamorphic, or igneous. Limestone and sandstone are examples of sedimentary stone and are amongst the most commonly used stones for construction. Limestones are high in the mineral calcium carbonate. By comparison, chalk is an example of almost pure calcium carbonate. Depending upon their geological composition, limestones vary greatly in their hardness, ability to withstand the elements, and their suitability for carving. The sand particles contained within sandstone are bonded with minerals such as calcite and dolomite. This, however, makes them harder to cut than most limestones. As per limestone, the characteristic of sandstones vary greatly, with some being ideal for building and others being totally unsuitable. Well-known metamorphic stones include marble, slate, and soapstone. Many metamorphic stones begin as sedimentary stone and are modified by extremes of heat and pressure. For example, marble was once limestone, slate was once shale, originally mud, and soapstone began as talc. Igneous stones such as granite and basalt are derived from lava or magma and are amongst the hardest stones available. This makes them an incredibly durable building material, but it also makes them more difficult to work with. Limestone and sandstone have been used in the production of this video.